Good evening, boys and girls. Do I have a treat for you this evening? Well, every evening is a treat, isn't it? Especially with these nightcaps. So I am first and foremost a metalhead through and through, but I've been doing nothing but jazz and blues and fusions and acoustic pop and having so much fun with all of that. I haven't done anything metal backing tracks soloing over that, so tonight's going to be the first night I do that. Let's see how it goes. All improvised, found some stuff on YouTube. We're going to see how that goes, and I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun. So get ready for lots of shredding, lots of wide vibratos, lots of harmonic squeals and exotic sounds, and hopefully some real heaviness too, some real emotional power. So let's enjoy this. I got my mocktail right here, which is very delicious. Plenty of content on how I make this stuff. My website, musicalorgasms.com. Gonna get started right now. Glad you guys are signing on. Asta, Beverly, Emily, and everyone else, thanks for being here. And orgasmicpathways.com. Choose your pathways. Let's get started. Where did it go? I had something up. Ah, here it is. So this is only a 6-minute backing track. Let's see what I come up with, man. Let's see what I come up with. Here goes nothing. it. That was a quick 6 minutes. That was a lot of fun. Well, let's do another one. The soloing was very loud in the mix. Gosh, for my first one improvised on a live feed, I hope it was any good. Hopefully. I will say this. I don't know about this Facebook counter thing, but there were a ton of people that logged on when I first started, and now it's down to 1. I don't know if that's accurate or not, but if it is, then I sucked so hard I cleared the room on my very first attempt. So I don't know. Those of you coming in later to watch this archived version, let me know if they're crazy to leave or if it was totally justified because my guitar playing sucked that hard. Who knows? I have no idea. But it's fun. I'm going to move on to the next song now. Let's see here. What shall I do next? How about this little jam track here? That's in, it says D minor, so I already have the key. Let's see what it's like. think that's going to wrap it up for tonight. I appreciate you guys being here. Asta, thank you for engaging with me. Beverly, thank you for engaging with me. And hope it was as good for you as it was for me. That was pretty fun. Bye for now.